RG, and God bless you, and I pray for good health and your family.
Happy birthday, Tito RJ, Ninong. May God bless you always, and may you continue to fulfill your dreams, continue together with your family, and also may God give you kanang abundance, abundance in life, and wisdom that comes from the Lord. Happy birthday, Tito. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ninong RJ. May God bless your family and yourself, and may He continue to guide you on your journey, on your everyday life, and all your trials. And I pray that God will strengthen you, and God bless Ninong RJ. Go.
Happy birthday, Tito RJ. God bless you. Aplikana na lang.
Happy birthday, God bless you always.
Hi Kuya RJ. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Many birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come. Ingat mo lagi da sa UAE.
Happy birthday, Tito RG and Tita Dar.
Happy birthday, Tita Ai.
Happy birthday, G. Happy birthday, Dar. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Tito Daddy.
And
Tita Mami.
Happy birthday mga anak. Ingat mo diha. God bless.
we love you.